Hi folks, what I'm about to show you is not rocket science. And in fairness, a lot of the refinish out there would probably already know it. But there's still a massive amount coming into the industry that wouldn't think it. Refinishers, preppers, whatever stage you're at. What it is I have to key up this panel, this rear door. I've done a repair at the bottom here, and now I want to key the whole panel, get it ready for paint. But it's essential, before keying up, I mask up any edges. And the reason for this is I don't want my sanding block or my sanding disc to damage any areas that I'm not going to be painting. And that's so important. So just that little bit of extra time to do that makes a big difference. The tape I like to use is a 1.5 inch tape. Rather than a 1 inch tape, it just gives you that little extra bandwidth of protection. Another little tech tip for you before I start. So I'm actually using some Super Acelex 800 on a 150 DA. But before I do that, I'm going to use some green foam pad. This is 600 to 1000. So it's 600 to 1000 because as you use it, it starts to become less and less aggressive, taking it up to 1000. And I will do all the edges first with the green, and then I will come over with the sander. And the reason for that, doing the edges first, is because you can create some harsher lines in it, whereas when you come with the sander, that will then soften those up and create that nice matte finish that you're looking for from this panel to be ready to paint. So let's get on with it.